Good morning, students. Yesterday we learned a practice set 5.1 in the probability. Today we just start to learn practice set 5.2. But before start the practice set 5.2, we can see the sample space on which there are having some questions in board. So for that sample space, first we read and after that we can go towards practice set 5.2. So first we can see the sample space on which you are getting problem in this exercise. So here is the you are see on a screen there are showing the chart of the possible sample space. So first is given a coin is tossed. A coin is tossed means you know that when you playing you can just toss the coin and you are said whatever be the possibility. So such a way here is a coin they are said. A coin means there is a single coin. Okay. So when the single coin is tossed, what happens? So when the single coin is tossed, then you are getting head and tail. So you are getting first possibility is head and another possibility is tail. So remember that it is not head and tail. I am right. Suppose some of the student is right tail and head, meaning is same. Okay. So head is when one coin is tossed, there is the possibility of you are getting head or getting tail. So number of sample space, number of S is equal to 2. Then we can see the two coins are tossed. They are said instead of one coin, they are said two coins are tossed. So when you are tossed the two coins, so what happen? First possibility they are given you are getting on two coins, both are head. They are considered both are head considered. So HH both are head. Afterwards, how you will remember this? So this one H can be converted into tail. So the second possibility is head tail. Second possibility is head tail. Third possibility is tail head and last possibility is tail tail. Such a way you have possibility of 4. So number of S is equal to their said 4. So see how can when you toss the two coins. So first possibility when you toss the two coins you are getting two head. So HH this is the first possibility. Second possibility you are getting on first coin head and second coin tail. This is also possibility. I explained you that yesterday. Possibility means whatever will happens. That is gauging. You are gauge what can be happen. So according to that sequence, we are said that on the first two coins they are getting head. On the second, we are consider that first coin you are getting head, second coin you are getting tail. Another way, here is this opposite tail head. So see, it is the third condition they are taken tail head, and last condition they are taken both are tail. So except this four possibility, there is nothing any possibility that when you are throw the two coins, then you are getting only that sample space. So I am already when I start that lecture, then I am already explaining you that this chart is very important to solve the probability problem. So remember that when you are tossed one coin, you are getting head and tail. That is the number of S is equal to 2. When you toss the two coins, then you are getting 4. Number of S is 4. What is it? The first you are getting head head, second you are getting head tail, third you are getting tail head, and fourth is tail tail. So this sequence if you are changed, there is no problem. Suppose some of the students is say right tail tail, head head, then tail head, and then head tail. If the sequence are changed, no problem. But the possibility of you are when two coins are thrown, then you are getting that things. The head, H tail, head tail, tail head, and tail tail. So that is the number of S is equal to 4. So this is about one coin is completed, then second coin is completed. Then the third possibility is that three coins are tossed. How many coins are tossed? Three coins are tossed. So when you are tossed the one coin, then one possibility is one head. When you are tossed the two coins, then another possibility is two head. Okay, you are started from head also. So I think that when you are throw the three coins, then and then also the possibility of from start from head. So the possibility start from head. So I am taken first possibility that on the when I throw the three coins, I am getting three heads here. Okay, 3 head here. So after that, how can you remember that? So this head can be converted into tail. See, in the second problem also you have seen this head is converted into tail. Such a way, here, in the when you toss the 3 coins, so first possibility or probability that on 3 coins we are getting head, head, head. Second probability is on 2 coins you are getting head and another third coin you are getting tail. So remembering purpose I am explaining you that this last head is converted into tail. After that you are take alternative form. Alternative means head, tail, head. This is the third possibility and last possibility that one tail and two head. This is the last possibility. So these four possibilities taken from head head. Then another possibility you are taken such a way head tail tail. So here you are getting two tail. Afterwards the another possibility alternative possibility that is tail head tail. Then third possibility both tail tail and head. And last possibility is tail tail tail. So I am saying this sequence. Suppose you are having any another sequence, that sequence you are remember well, then you can take that sequence in your mind and write the sample space when you are throw the 3 coins. But you are remember that when you are throw the 3 coins, then you are getting sample space is 8, and that is first you started from head. So triple head, 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 head. After that this head is converted into tail. So head, head, tail. After that you are taken alternative. So head, tail, head. After that one tail and two head, because here is two head and one tail. So such a way here is taken one tail and two heads. So tail, head, head. Another possibility is head, see there, head, tail, tail. After that head, tail, tail, we can doing here alternative, that which is here taken alternative. Such a way here also we are taking alternative tail, head, tail. Then the another possibility tail, tail, head, and the last possibility is tail, tail, tail. Such a way there are the 18, there are the 8 possibilities. So number of s is equal to 8. Okay. Then the fourth is a die is thrown. I have already explained you the die means what, that is used to play the Lido, or that is used to play the business. So such a types of games we are using this die. So you know the die, on the die they are having the 1 to 6 numbers. So when you throw the die, so whatever with the probability. So when you throw the die, so they are having the 6 numbers. So the probability is that you are getting 6 numbers. So probability 6 number is the probability. So which is that 6 number, just see. So this is the S in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the sample space for when you are throw the one die. So when you throw the one die, then there is a sample space. We are getting 6 number, that is 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number and 6 number. So the number of s is equal to 6 here. But see in the problem number 5, there are 2 die are thrown. They are saying that 2 dice are thrown. So here is one die thrown. So there is the probability of 6. So when you throw the 2 die, there is the probability is 6, 36. So how it is the probability of 36? So see, how can you remember? How many numbers are here? 6 number. 2 dice are thrown. So 6 into 6, how many? 36. So you think that how can you doing some multiplication 6 into 6? So see, so you can take one number from here. So this is the one, suppose. So you are started from 1 and write such a way. So suppose you are throw the 2 die, so on one die there is getting 1 and another die there is also getting 1. But after another die that can be changed, that you are taken 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and when you 1 6 is completed, then you are started 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5 and 2 6. After that 2 6 is completed, then you have started 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. After that 3 6 is completed, you have started 4 1. So what you understand? You understand that you can take on from one number, and that one numbers can be make pairs with up to 6 numbers. Means how it is 1 1. After that 1 2. After that 1 3. After that 1 4. After that 1 5. After that 1 6. Such a way The one numbers can be get pairs with each number. So there is the sixth possibility. So once six is completed, after that you have started 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Okay, such a way that is go ahead. So you are getting 36. So I will write this and you can show how it is written. So 1 1, 1 2, 1 3. Then here is 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Okay. After here is you are getting 6. You can start it one's ahead number. So one ahead number म्हणजे एकच्या पुढचा number. So which number is ahead of 1, 2? So here is 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Okay. So after 6, you can write next number of 2. So which is the next number of 2? 3. So here is 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, then 3 4, sorry 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. So again here you are getting 6. So you can write next number of 3. So which is the next number of 3? 4. So 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, then 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 6 is there. So next number of 4, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 5 6. So next number of 5, that is 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. So if you are counted these numbers, then that numbers are 36. Such a way, when the two die are thrown, then you are getting 36 sample space. So sample space number is 36 and number of s is equal to 36. Then another question is coming in board that can be written. A card is drawn from the back bearing number 1 to 25. So there are said you can make a card, okay, and on that card you write number 1 to 25. So what will be the probability of that? So the probability of that 25. How it is seen? Here is written sample space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Such a way you are right up to 25. So there is the 25 numbers are written on 25 cards. So 20 means one number, two number, three number, each number written on separate card. So there are the 25 numbers. So the probability is 25. So here is write the sample space 1 to 25 numbers. You don't write all numbers 1 to 25 here. You write such a way here 1, 2, 3, dash 25. Whatever it may be. But don't waste your time that you are write up to 25 numbers. It is not necessary to write that. Okay. Then number of s is equal to what you get 25. Then this is the seventh, the last problem. A card is drawn. A card is drawn from well shuffled pack of 52 playing cards. A card is drawn. A cards. Yesterday I am said that the playing cards having the four suits and each suits having the 13 cards. Okay. So that cards we are talking about that cards. So there is the well shuffle cards. Well shuffle cards means well shuffle means they are shuffle well that all the cards are mixed with each other. So you cannot say after this page is coming. So that is called well shuffle. So so they are having the 52 cards. So number of S is 52. So they are giving one of the example here. Suppose the diamond. So diamond having these 13 cards. After that spades having these 13 cards. That is yesterday we are see that ekta, do, tuza, threeza, fourza, fiveza, sixza, sevenza, eightza, nineza, tenza, jack, queen, king. Okay, such a way this is about diamond. So same diamonds after that spade, after that horse, and after that clubs. So they are having the possibility of 52. So here is written number of s is equal to 52. Such a way, it is very important chart for your exam. So you must be write these charts in your notebook and read these charts after 2 days. Every 2 days you read these charts. Then you are know how to write this. So it is very important. Remember that. Then we are going to learn practice set 5 point. Okay, because whatever the basic thing required to taught the practice set 5.2, that all basic things is completed, and so we are going to taught practice set 5.2. So see, what will be the first questions in the practice set? So here is we can start the practice set 5.2 here. So what will be the basic thing required that is completed. So we are going to learn practice set 5.2. So first question is here for each of the following experiment write the sample space S and the number of sample point number. Okay, what they are said for each of the following experiment write the sample space S and number of sample points. So one coin and one die are found. So what they are said one coin. So one coin having whatever the probability for the one coin. So one coin having the probability you are getting head and tail. Okay, one coin you are getting probability of head and tail. And die. So that die having probability of you are getting 1 to 6 number. Okay, so that is the probability that when you toss coin you get head and tail. You toss the die you get the 1 to 6 number. So that sample space is written here. For coin, here is we write the sample space, that is we are getting head or getting tail. After the coin, you are going to write the sample space for the die. So this is the number of S is equal to 2 because you are getting head and tail. So sample space for the die. So you are know very well that the die having the 6 numbers. So all that 6 number is written here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So these all 6 number is written here. So S is equal to 1 to 6 numbers. Okay. Then we can see here or right here number of S is equal to 6. Then another. If a coin is tossed and die is thrown simultaneously, the sample species. What they are said a coin is tossed means you have tossed the coin and die at the same time. Means you have kept your die also and you have kept your coin also. So both are kept here and just throw it. So what happened? Just see here. So if you want to write the probability here, then you can take one first. Suppose you are taking one head. So you are make a pairs of head with one, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5 and head 6. So after heads, you can start from tail. So tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. Such a way. So see here, how can they are right? See, according to what I say, what I explain, according to that they are right. So this is the sample space S. Head is written from head. So head is making pairs with 6 number. See here, head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. Okay. So you are making pairs of head with 1 to 6 number. So each number can be make a pairs with head. Anyone doubts here? After completing the pairs of head with 6 numbers, up to 6 numbers, then we have started tail. So you have started from tail, tail 1, tail 2, then tail 3, tail 4, tail 5 and tail 6. Such a way 6 and 6, how many is there? 12. So number of S is equal to you are getting 12 possibilities. Okay. So how it is 12? Are you understand? You have started from head first. So head can be make pairs with head 1, head 2, head 3, head 4, head 5, head 6. After head, you have started here from C. After head, you have started here from tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. Such a way. Okay. So then we can see the another. What is the given? The two digits number from using digits 2, 3, 5. So what can we want to do? We want to do the two digits number. Two digits number means what? That number having two place. One is the unit place and another is the uh, 10 place. Because they are said only two digits number. So two digits is tossed and die is thrown simultaneously. The sample space, we can see that how can we write the head can be made pairs with 6 number, afterwards tail can be made pairs with 6 number, such a way you are getting sample space 12, number of S is equal to 12. Then there is another problem is given here. Two digits number from using digits 2, 3 and 5. Okay. So two digits numbers from using digits 2, 3 and 5. So see here how you are making two digits number. So that number having two places. One is the unit place, another is the 10 place. Such a way means that is the 23, 25. Means if you are started from 2, then there is 23, 25. Then 32, 35. Then 52, 53. Such a way. So see here, they are written that numbers that s is equal to from we are started from 2, so here is 23, 2, 3. So here is written 23. After that 2 can be made pairs with 5, 25. So here is written 25. After that this 3 can be made pairs with 2, so 32. So here is written 32. After that, these 3 can be made pairs with 5. So here is we are getting 35. After that, this 5 can be made pairs with 2. So you are getting with 52. After that, this 5 can be made pairs with 3. So you are getting 53. Are you understand what I explain here? That each number can make pairs with another number. Such a way, here 2 is making pairs with 3, 23. 2 is making pairs with 5, 25. 3 is making pairs with 2, 32. 3 is making pairs with 5, 35. 5 is making pairs with 2, 52. 5 is making pairs with 3, 53. Such a way. So how many is the sample space having numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there is the 6. So number of s is equal to 6, that is written here. So such a way, the question number 1 we can learn. I think that you are understand that question number 1 very well. Then you are going to learn question number 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on a disc on which out of on a disc out on which color it may stop. So here is we must be draw the dish. How that dish having the colors. So see, this is the dish. So that dish having the colors. So this is the red color. Afterward this is the orange color. Afterward this is the yellow color. Afterwards it is the blue color. Afterwards it is the green color. Afterwards it is the purple color. Are you understand? So that is the dish and that dish having the colors. So what can we do first? We can find out how many colors are there. Red, red 1, then orange 2, yellow 3, blue 4, green 5, purple 6. So they are having the 6 color. Okay. So here is they are having the 6 color. So the arrow can be stopped in that 6 color. Without in that 6 color means which 6 color is given on a disc. There and then the arrow is stopped. Means this example is according to yesterday's example of Vanita. That Vanita know the 8th place. So Vanita make a planning to go to holiday Spain in summer. So there is she know the 8th place. So there is a possibility of 8th place. Such a way this example is same because in example there is given a dish and that dish having how many colors? 6 color, and which is that 6 color that can be we see here. So that is the 6 color that can be seen here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So that 6 color. So in that 6 color there is this arrow is stop. See, this is called the arrow. So that arrow is stop within this 6 color. Out of these 6 color, that arrow is not stopped because on a disc they are having the arrow, and whatever be the color on the disc, there only that arrow is stopped. So remember that on a disc they are having the 6 color. So possibility that arrow stop is 6. So your answer is there are the 6 color on a disc. The arrow can be stopped any of the color. Are you understand why it is 6 possibility? Because on a disc they are having 6 colors. The problem number, you can write that sample space here. So how can we write that sample space? See, S is equal to red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. So these are the 6 colors. So number of S is equal to 6. So here is write the answer. In that 6 color, there only the arrow can be stopped. So possibility of the answer is 6, which is that that is already written in sample space, that is red to confirm we are having the 6 color. So number of S is equal to 6. Have any doubts? Then question number 3. So see, in month of March, which month? March month. In month of March 2019, find the day on which the date is multiple of 5. What they are said? They are said you can take a calendar of March. Okay. So they are said you can take a calendar of March. So first we can take calendar of March. See, on a screen, they are having the calendar of March 2019. Can you see that? Yeah. So what they are said? They are said you can take a multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 means what? 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. Means number can be increased by 5 by addition of 5. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 5 25, 25 plus 5 30, 30 plus 5 35. Is it possible to get 35? No, because March having 31 days and each month having more means the last day of the in each month is 31 or 30, or in February there is a 28 or 29. So 35 is not coming in any month. So what will be right your answer in up to 30? So multiple of 5, you understand easily. For that purpose, I can show that the dates of multiple of 5 by red color. So you can check it. See here 5. So this is the 5. What is the day? Tuesday. Remember that 5 having Tuesday. After which is the multiple of 5 10. See, this is the 10 because it is the multiple of 5. 5 plus 5 10. So at the 10, which day is there? Saturday. After that multiple of 5 15. So 10 plus 5 15. Which day is? So here is the Saturday. It is the Sunday, and here is this is the 15th. That is the Friday. After that 20 multiple of 5 means 15 plus 5 20. So 20 having Wednesday. 20 plus 5 you are getting 25, that is Monday. And then you are going to 30, that is the Saturday. Are you understand? So you are understanding multiple of 5 easily. So I am sure that multiple of 5 dates with the red color. So that is the 5, that is the 10, that is the 15, that is the 20, that is the 25, and that is the 30. So it is only the multiple of 5 days, and we are see the whatever be the days of that date, that is already C, and so that can be right here. So I write the multiple of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25, and last is 30. So whatever be the days that we want to write, so I am writing the date 5 having day Tuesday, 10 having day Sunday, 15 having day Friday, 20 having day Wednesday, 25 having day Monday, 30 having day Saturday. Such a way number of s is equal to 6. Are you understand this problem? Okay. Then this is the question number 4, and the question number 4 is very important questions because on this question number 4 parallel question is coming from to you for free-minded questions. For free-minded questions. So here is from you can must be see what will be the doubts in this problem. Then you can ask me. Means what I say. The question number 4 is very important. Why? Because parallel problem is coming in exam. So see what is given in the question number 4. They are said they want RSP. RSP you know because you are all girls of RSP. Okay, so RSP they want to make a committee, but they want to make a committee. That committee want to make two boys. So two boys. So first boys we are say B1, second boys we are said B2. Then their committee they are having two girls. So first girl we are said G1, second girl you are said G2. Complete the following activity to write the sample space. Okay. So what you are understand, they are said they want to make a RSP committee. So they want to make a RSP committee with help of two boys. So one boy you are considered as B1, another is B2, and with help of two girls. So one girl you are considered G1, another girl you are considered G2. So how can you make the committee? So here is written two boys, so B1, B2. Then two girls, then G1, G2. Then I want to make a committee. So I want to make a committee. So we can make a committee with each and every person. Just we can see the last problem. There is head can be make pairs with 1 to 6 number. Tail can be make pairs with 1 to 6 member. Such a way we are making pairs of each boy with each girl. So see here. So first boy is you are considered as B1. So this B1 boy can be make pairs with boy and the two girls also. So first we write B1 boy. So see B1 G1. After that B1 G2. So they are having the two girls and that two girls can be work with this boy. So first committee they are having girl 1, second committee they are having girl 2. So we are right first boy B1 G1 and B1 G2. Then there is the possibility that then another example is given that second boy B2. So B2 G1 and B2 G2. Okay. Such a way we are write the committee. So they are said there must be having committee boys and girls. So sample space you want to write. We want to write the sample space. So how can you write the sample space? See each B1 B2. So first we are making pairs of boys purely only boys means first boy and B2, B1, B2. Okay. So I am right here, B1, B2. After that, G1, G2. My here is written purely boys, first committee, purely girls, second committee, G1, G2. Then they are written that committee which is written here, B1, G1 and B1, G2. After that, B2, G1 and B2, G2. Okay. See here, B1, G1, B1, G2, B2, G1 and B2, G2. Such a way, roots, right samples. Do you understand what I say here? See, first they are said they want to make a committee of two boys, so B1, B2. Then two girls, so G1, G2. So first we are making committee one girl and one boy. Means that committee having compulsory one boy and compulsory one girl. So whatever be the possibility is there, the possibility is B1, G1. Another B1, G2. Okay. Another is B1, G2. Then B2 G1 and B2 G2. Here is condition is one boy and one girl. So it is. But when you write the sample space, you can write all the possibilities. What will be the possibilities that all possibilities is written here. So in sample space, we can write purely boys committee. So here is we write B1 and B2. Then we write purely girls committee and G1 and B2. And then we write boys and girls committee together. So here is that right B1 G1, B1 G2, B2 G1 and B2 G2. Any doubts anyone? Then such a way we can learn the practice set 5.2. They are having the four problems and that all four problems we can see and I hope that all four problems you are understand very well. So you are understand or not understand that can be must be checked. So that can be checked with help of the homework. So I am giving homework on a screen. So read that homework questions and write their answers. Only two problems given for your homework. So please send this homework on my WhatsApp number and keep safe, stay home and study well. Have a nice day.